In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new phone number to your PayPal account effortlessly, and it will only take you about 5 minutes. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you want to open your web browser and head over to the PayPal website. Once you've reached the site, it's time to log into your account. Look for the Login button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and enter your email address and password to access your PayPal account. If you've set up two-factor authentication, you'll also want to have your mobile phone handy to complete the login process. After logging in, you might notice an option asking if you'd like to receive a text message via WhatsApp or a regular text. This is PayPal's way of helping keep your account secure by verifying any changes you make. Choose the option that works best for you. If you select text messages, PayPal will send you a text to verify your identity, so be sure to check your phone. Now, once you're on your PayPal homepage, look for the Settings button, icon often resembling a gear. This is where all account modifications are managed. Click on it and it will take you to the settings page that allows you to customize various aspects of your account. Within Settings, find the section labeled Account Options. Clicking this will unveil more options related to your personal information and security settings. Here you'll see Phone Numbers, where you'll manage your linked numbers to your PayPal account. Navigate to the Phone Numbers section and click on it. This is where the magic happens. You'll see a button that says Add or Add a phone number. Go ahead and click on Add. You'll be prompted to enter your new phone number into the designated field. Carefully type in your phone number, making sure not to make any typos, as it is crucial for this to be correct. Once you've entered the number, review it to ensure accuracy before proceeding. After confirming the number you've entered is correct, submit the information. PayPal may require you to verify this number by sending a text message with a confirmation code. Check your phone, and when you receive the code, input it back into your PayPal account where prompted. And there you have it, your new phone number is now added to your PayPal account. By following these simple steps, you've not only updated your contact information, but also ensured an added layer of security to your account. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.